Hi, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word, the podcast where we dive into the fascinating world of English vocabulary. I'm Alex, your host, and today we're exploring a B2 level word that's both practical and versatile: approach. Approach is a noun that means a way of dealing with something. It's a word we use when talking about strategies, methods, or techniques to handle a situation, solve a problem, or reach a goal. Let's look at some synonyms for approach to help you expand your vocabulary. Words like method, strategy, plan, and technique all capture similar ideas. For example, you could say, her method for organizing her schedule is very efficient, or we need a better strategy to complete this project on time. Each of these can often be swapped with approach depending on the context. Now for some antonyms. Opposites of approach include avoidance, rejection, and disregard. Imagine someone saying, instead of solving the issue, his avoidance made it worse, or the rejection of new ideas slowed progress. These words highlight situations where no effort is made to deal with a challenge, which is the opposite of having an approach. So how do we use approach in everyday life? Picture yourself in a meeting at work. You might say, our team needs to discuss a new approach to increasing sales. Or maybe you're helping a friend study for an exam and you suggest, why not try a different approach to memorizing vocabulary? It's also common in casual conversations like, I love her approach to decorating her apartment. It's so creative. Let's wrap up with a few examples to really cement this word in your mind. The teacher's innovative approach to learning made the class more engaging. His approach to conflict resolution is calm and thoughtful. A scientific approach is essential for conducting reliable research. These sentences show how adaptable and important this word is in various situations. Thanks so much for tuning in today. We've learned that approach means a way of dealing with something, explored its synonyms like method and strategy, and contrasted it with antonyms such as avoidance and rejection. Don't forget to subscribe to Hello Word and leave a review. It really helps others discover the show. I'd love for you to create your own sentence using approach and share it in the comments. Until next time, keep expanding your English vocabulary. Bye for now.